Consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video if you found it useful. Hi, this is Spence with West Coast Pedalboard. Today is handle day. We're going to show you the different styles of handles that we have and how to install them. It's pretty easy installation, very basic tools. You need a power drill, a couple different drill bits, a hammer, and maybe a screwdriver to fasten the hardware together. When you buy it as a DIY, everything comes included. So all you need is to give us your money, and that's it. We sell all different types of handles, and even though they may look a little different, the installation procedures are the same. We use T-nuts for the fastening device. So the tools required for this are a couple different size drill bits. We use a small one, like an 1/8 inch, to make our pilot holes, and then a 1/4 inch size, so the T-nuts will fit into that. And we're going to show you how to do that right now. Here we go. Installation for all handles are fairly simple. These are the basic tools you're going to need for each type of handle installation. Electric drill with a couple different types of drill bits. Measuring tape so you can measure and get it centered. A mallet so you can smack in these T-nuts. An electric driver to fasten the hardware once all that's done. Here we go. After you choose your location, you're going to want to measure and make sure your distance is alright. Nothing worse than putting a handle on crooked or one way or the other too much. Once we found our center point here, I'm going to take the drill and a small little drill bit, and I'm going to make some pilot holes. After we get all the pilot holes made, we're going to put a 1/4 inch drill bit in. We're going to drill these out so the T-nuts can get installed from the inside of the case. Alright, we've got our through holes made, so the next step is to install the T-nuts. I'm going to flip the case on its side like this, and just make sure that if there's any burrs or any kind of obstructions there, we're going to clean that out of the way, just so when we start putting our screw through, it's not getting bound up or tight on anything that we don't need it to be. T-nuts have little teeth on them, and we're going to just squarely install these into the hole and gently beat them. Alright, here we go. We're going to install this handle, and this DIY job is going to be complete. All these handles come with the right hardware for your application. If you need something a little bit different, you can call in and we can try to help you out with that. When you're fastening these down, we just want to make sure that they easily thread into the T-nut. And if they don't, then we have to figure out why that is. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, kids.